Guys, so this is finished, and there was a little plastic cover, the one that was like here. It had 5 little holes in it, so it went on top. Let me show you what it looked like. Dark. Okay, let me cut the lights on. There you go. Okay, that is what it looked like. Now, isn't that beautiful? Go get one. I'll put the link below. I'm not affiliated, but that is what it looked like. And so I'm going to get started on here. Look at these pretty colors. Let's see if I cut the light on. Pretty pink. Oh, this one is really nice. You can't see. It look like it's better with. Let me see. Yeah, pretty pink right there. Another pink. This one is going to be really my favorite blue. This is going to be really nice, you guys. Okay, so this is going to be number 3. I am enjoying this. Have a good day. Bye bye.